Before buying paint for your garage door, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X. Let's kick things off with the Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Gloss White. Priced at just $5.98, this is a budget-friendly option that caught my eye because of its quick-drying formula. If you're looking for a reliable paint that works on multiple surfaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This spray paint offers coverage of up to 12 square feet and dries to the touch in just 20 minutes. That means you can get your garage door looking fresh without spending all day on it. Plus, the oil-based formula resists chips, which is perfect for handling the wear and tear of the outdoors. With a solid 4.7-star rating from nearly 40,000 reviews, it's clear that people trust this brand to deliver quality. Now, some people complained about the spray pattern being a bit uneven if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, using it at the right angle can really make a difference, and for the price, it's a minor issue you can work around. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and simple solution for your garage door. Skip this one if you need something extremely durable for high-traffic areas, but honestly, it offers great value for the money. Now, if the spray method isn't your thing, the next product might be even better for achieving a smooth finish. Product number 2, Rust-Oleum Painters Touch Latex. Next up is the Rust-Oleum Painters Touch Latex Brush-On Paint in Flat Black, which retails for $16.48. This caught my attention because of its versatility and impressive coverage. If you're looking for a paint that's easy to apply and dries quickly, take note. You can cover an impressive 120 square feet with this product, and it dries to the touch in just 30 minutes. This means you can tackle your project in no time, which is great if you're juggling a busy schedule. The water-based formula is low odor and chip-resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 31,000 reviews, it's evident that many have found success with this paint. However, a few users mentioned that it requires a bit of prep work for the best results, like sanding the surface beforehand. But here's the thing, that prep helps the paint adhere better, so it's worth taking the time to do it right. This is perfect for you if you want a durable finish and are comfortable with a brush. Skip this if you're looking for a quick spray option, but the value for the coverage and quality is pretty solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually blow you away if you're after a wood look finish. Product number 3, Gianni Wood Look Paint Kit. Now let's talk about the Gianni Wood Look Paint Kit for garage doors, priced at $79.95. This one really stood out because it transforms your plain garage door into a stunning wood appearance. If you want to add instant curb appeal, this is worth your attention. The kit covers up to 180 square feet and is designed for a simple two-step application that you can complete in just 3 hours. It includes everything you need from base coat to finish coat, making it user-friendly, even for beginners. It's water-based, which means it's low on odor and safe to use. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clear people are loving this transformation. Now, some users found the instructions a bit confusing at first, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, once you get a hang of the process, it's pretty straightforward and totally worth the effort for the stunning results. This is perfect for you if you want a unique look for your garage door that stands out. Skip this if you prefer a traditional solid color, but the added curb appeal makes it a worthwhile investment for many. If the wood look isn't quite your style, the next product is for those who prefer a classic finish. Product number 4, Rust-Oleum Advanced Dry Door and Trim Paint. Next on the list is the Rust-Oleum 369384 Advanced Dry Door and Trim Paint, available for $21.30. This caught my attention because it's specially formulated for doors and trim, and that's a big deal if you want a professional look. If you're all about smooth finishes, keep listening. That's a huge plus if you're eager to finish up quickly. It's also water-based, so you won't have to deal with that intense paint smell, and it's chip-resistant, giving your garage door long-lasting protection. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among DIYers. However, some people noted that it may require 2 coats for full coverage, which could be a bit time-consuming. But honestly, the trade-off for that gorgeous satin finish is worth it, especially considering how well it holds up over time. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and beautiful finish. Skip this if you're looking for a quick spray option, but the quality makes it a great choice for the price. If you're looking for something more versatile, the final product is a must-see. Product number 5, VONFORN Paint Sprayer. Finally, we have the VONFORN Paint Sprayer, priced at $42.49. This one is a bit different because it's not just paint, it's a tool that can make your painting job a breeze. If you're planning to tackle multiple projects, this might be your best bet. This sprayer includes 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, accommodating a variety of surfaces including furniture, fences, and yes, garage doors. The adjustable flow control means you can customize the paint output for a consistent finish. Plus, it's designed for easy cleaning, which is something I really appreciate. With a 4.3-star rating from 7,800 reviews, it's proven to be a reliable option. Some users reported that it can be a bit challenging for beginners to set up at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it saves you so much time on larger projects, making it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want the flexibility to paint various surfaces. Skip this if you only need a one-time use for your garage door, but the versatility makes it a good value. Now that we've covered all 5 products, it's clear there are great options out there for every need and budget. So to recap, we started with the budget-friendly Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Spray, moved on to the easy-to-use Rust-Oleum Brush-On Paint, transformed the look with Gianni's Wood Look Kit, added durability with Rust-Oleum Advanced Dry Paint, and finally considered the VONFORN Paint Sprayer for versatility. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's definitely something here for everyone. Happy painting!